I figured out how to make studying so easy it feels like cheating. You know that feeling when you spend days studying tired and stressed, and then get the same grade as that friend who barely studied the night before? Yeah, that makes you feel like an idiot. You give up your free time, stop doing the things you like, and in the end, your grades are still just average while everyone else is chilling. And the worst part, studying feels hard, boring, and exhausting, which just makes you procrastinate even more. But the problem isn't you. It's the dumb, inefficient way you've been studying. In this video, I'll show you how to make studying stupidly easy, using simple techniques that almost no one knows about, but that even an average student like you can easily apply. So, let's get started. 6. Put on epic movie soundtracks. Want to feel like a genius instead of a stressed idiot while studying? Then stop listening to sad lo-fi and put on epic movie soundtracks, the kind that makes you feel like you're about to save the world. Research from the University of Helsinki shows that instrumental movie soundtracks boost your emotional state without distracting you, which is perfect when your brain is already overloaded and dumb. And it gets even better. A study from Georgetown University found that energetic instrumental music improved both mood and cognitive performance on hard tasks. People literally felt better, answered faster, and made fewer mistakes. Why? Because epic music sends your winning signals to your brain. And your brain, being the easily fooled idiot it is, believes it and performs better. Congrats! You just hacked your confidence with sound. 5. Eat dark chocolate. What if I told you to eat chocolate while studying? Yeah, sounds dumb, but not that sugary crap you usually call chocolate. I'm talking about dark chocolate, 75% cocoa or more. There are real studies showing that the stuff in cocoa helps your brain work better under pressure and even puts you in a better mood. Basically, your brain chills out and stops panicking for no reason. Research shared in Frontiers in Nutrition basically shows that high cocoa chocolate helps you focus and remember things better because it pushes more blood to your brain. More blood means more oxygen, clearer thinking, and way fewer dumb mistakes. 4. Start with the answers. Most people study like idiots. Page 1, line 1. Brain completely off. Do the opposite. Look at solved problems or answers first. When your brain sees the final result, it instantly knows what it's aiming for, instead of wandering around confused like an idiot pressing random buttons. That's why past exams feel easier than textbooks. Your brain loves knowing where the hell it's going. You're not memorizing, you're reverse engineering the problem. Once you see what the solution actually looks like, everything just clicks. It almost feels illegal, like you're cheating because you skip all the dumb, unnecessary confusion everyone else insists on suffering through. 3. The post-it note scatter method. If you're still trying to memorize stuff by staring at the same page like an idiot, stop! Write the hard-to-remember info on post-it notes and scatter them around your room like a crazy person. Wall, mirror, door, fridge. Doesn't matter. Every time you see one, say it out loud 3 times. Yes, out loud. No, whispering doesn't count. You look stupid, but it works. Your brain loves color and location. The bright post-it plus the random place creates a memory link without you even trying. Pretty soon, you won't remember just the formula. You'll remember the formula on that yellow note next to the bathroom door. That's how memory actually works, you idiot. And this is where it gets interesting. Everything you've learned so far is just a small piece of a bigger system I built that helps students study way less and still get top grades. And it's the same system that got me into the #1 university in Latin America with no prep course and no private tutor. It works even if you think you're a bad student or just not smart enough. Click the link in the description and watch my free masterclass where I reveal my entire study system. 2. Study for 20 minutes. Most people sit down planning to study for hours like idiots, then wonder why their brain gives up after 15 minutes. Do the opposite. Study for 20 minutes, that's it. When your brain knows there's an end, it actually behaves instead of fighting you the whole time. Long study sessions sound productive, but most of that time is just you staring at the page pretending to focus. This feels like cheating because more done with way less pain. Those 20 minutes are sharp, focused, and actually useful. And half the time, once you start, you'll keep going without forcing it. Less suffering, more results. Meanwhile, everyone else is studying for 4 hours and remembering nothing like a bunch of idiots. 1. Pretend you're making a YouTube tutorial. If you can't explain something out loud, you don't actually understand it. You're just nodding along like an idiot. So, pretend you're filming a YouTube tutorial. Explain the concept out loud, step by step. Like thousands of people are watching, and you don't want to embarrass yourself. The second you try to explain it, all the holes in your understanding show up immediately. This forces your brain to actually engage instead of fake studying. You're not just reading, you're teaching. And teaching is brutal in the best way. If you can explain it clearly without freezing, congrats, you actually know it. If you can't, good. You just found what you need to fix. And I hope to see you in the next video. If you don't show up, well, you're even dumber than I thought.